creating a Discord server is very simple. For this one, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the plus button right here, then click on create my own, and now you can select the server to be for your friends or for a proper community. Once you selected, you go ahead and click right here to make a profile picture and then give it a name, then click on create, and I have a brand new server. Now for this one you can do a bunch of stuff, but the two basic things that you need to worry about is clicking on your server name, then clicking on server settings. Now go to roles, and here you can create roles where you will give permissions to certain people and also not give permissions to other people that are on lesser lores. Just click on create a role, and now you can click on permissions and see what you will give to each role that you make. On the display, of course, you can rename the role, and then on the permissions section you can select what this role can do. Make sure to read through all of these. If we go back, the next important part, of course, is the categories, where you will basically divide up your server into something important parts. For this one, all you have to do is select a text channel or a voice channel. Both of these are the same. To create a new one, just click on the plus button, and now you can select it to be any type, and then also give it a name, and you can even make it private. Once you're done, click on create channel, and now you can divide these up to separate parts. Be creating a Discord server and have fun.